Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Gavin. In this video, we will be talking about anti-differentiation rules. Okay, so from the term itself, anti-differentiation, this is the reverse operation of differentiation. So kung last time natin derivatives, this time ang buhato nato is we do the reverse. So if there's a given, we get derivative. From the derivative, we get back the given by using the integration or the anti-differentiation rules. Okay, so anyway, here are the first 5 rules now. Kanya kanina symbol, no? Sa uban pa ni wati-wati daw, no? Mura siya wati or mura siya earthworm. So from that, no, kana symbol is actually read as the integral. So here, when you have this is the integral of 0 dx, which is equal to c. So every time you get 0 or when you integrate 0, the result is always c. Or when you anti-differentiate. Kaya di ba kung mo i-recall, any constant, the derivative of any constant is 0. And therefore, when you integrate 0, mabalik siya sa constant. So di ba pag 5, ang derivative sa 5 is 0. Okay? So derivative of 5 is 0. So kung balik ko nimo, kung imong kuhaon ang iyang original, so from 0, mabalik ka sa 5. But it is not just applicable to 5 lang. It is applicable to all constants. So that's why we have the general solution out there, no? So, kung mag-integrate kag 0 man gud, no? When you integrate 0, dili mo kahibaw kung asa gid siya gikan. Di ba? So, what if the given is just, what is the integral of 0? So, that is a very general question, what is the integral of 0? So, absolutely, you know, it's constant. But you do not know exactly what is the exact value of the constant. So, itong buhaton is we only write C, which means any constant. Okay? The number 2, the integral of k dx. Actually, pareho rin silang duha diri. Ang difference lang, kani siya is more general, applicable to all constants. Kani manggod is assuming k is not 0. Okay, so assuming k is not 0, syempre you have kx plus c. Kaya syempre kung 0 na siya, 0 times x, then mo 0 rin yapon eventually. Okay, so mahobra ni siya nga, special case na gina siya, i-specify na to siya maayo. And just remember nga the integral of 0 is always constant. If na ay laing constant, nga dili 0, then you consider kx. Okay, and then plus c. Number 3, we have kf of x, meaning na kay numerical coefficient. If na kay numerical coefficient, the same as derivative, pwede rin mo siyang set aside. Dili mo siya hilagtan. Pareho ani mo rin gipagawas, nga you integrate the f of x na lang dayon. Okay? So that is the concept. Number 4, you have here x raised to n. This is the power rule. If you recall last time, di ba, kasi buhato na to ato. From the exponent, we make it a numerical coefficient, or basically we multiply it to the numerical coefficient, di ba? Pag nakakay x cube, for example, or 2x cube, ang derivative ana is imo ni siyang mura siyang mahungay, mo siyang i-multiply diha. So meaning may mo siyang 6, may mo siyang 6 x squared. So sa scenario niya, you first, okay, ang gibuhat nimo is you first multiply. And then pagkahuman, nag-minus kag 1. Di ba? So karon, since we do the reverse, ang buhaton nimo is, di ba, last nimo gibuhat ang minus kag 1. So since we do the reverse, mag-plus tag 1 una. Okay, so nag-add tag 1 yung pagkahuman, di ba, nag-multiply man kita ato. Now, before ta nag-minus, we multiply. So, ang minus, ang reverse niya, nag-plus ta. Kanya, ang reverse sa imuhang multiplication, is syempre, division. So, basically, gana sila ng mga rules niya. Gikan rin sa reverse operations of the differentiation rules. Then, sa number 5, last one, kani is, if there are more than one term, or there are more terms, 2 or more, then ang buhaton nimo is you can just integrate separately. Pareho rin po sa derivative, so kung na plus minus in between, pwede rin gini mo sa tagsaon o integrate. Okay, so let's have examples. Let's have examples. Number 1, what if you are to integrate or find the integral of, let's say, 2 dx. Okay? So, buhatan na gini mo, kay 2dx man na, applicable yung rule number 2. Okay, so di ko na ito pareha ko na ato lang letter A niya, pag mo libo. So example letter A, you have 2dx, the integral of 2dx, syempre, you'll just follow rule number 2. So 2 man na siya, then you will have 2x plus c, and that's it. Ngayon mo i-recall, no, kung suwayan mo nag-differentiate, di ba? Ngayon mo na siyang i-differentiate. Ang derivative ani is 2 times 1 plus 0. Okay, constant 0 man ang atong derivative. So 2 times 1, so meaning kanini Okay, so bali-bali rin siya. Okay, syempre from the term again, no? Anti-differentiation. So that's it for letter A. Kunya, sa letter B, if there are more terms, like let's say the integral of 3x squared, maybe, no? 3x squared plus x minus 2 dx. Okay? So there are 3 terms in here. Ang buhaton nato is we apply rule number 5. So sa rule number 5, sa itong buhaton, ato siyang tagsa-tagsaon lang. Pwede rin mo na ha, kanisya na siya yung mga plus and minus inside, or there are 3 terms in this given. So ang buhaton nato, we first integrate 3x squared. Okay, kasi parit ragid mo siya basically, no, more yung idea. The integral of x dx minus the integral of 2 dx. Okay? Then apply mga necessary rules. Example, sa kanya niya siya, 3x squared. Di ba, na 3? No, na 3. So, pwede ni mong gamitan o rule number 3. Ay, na numerical coefficient. Anyway, pwede na ako na siya ipagawas. This is 3 integral of x squared dx. Okay? So, ang 3 ako rin ipagawas. Again, it's numerical coefficient. Sama na sa number 3 nga ang rule. Pwede na naman ipagawas. Plus, kani siya, pwede na natin mo nang i-integrate diretso. Kaya wala siya ka na ang numerical coefficient. So, di ba, remember, ang iyang exponent is 1. So, kani, pwede niyo mo i-apply ang rule number 4. Sa rule number 4, yun siya, basta na exponent, ang buhaton, mag-add og 1 sa exponent. In other words, this becomes x, di ba na 1 is mabaw. So, mag-add kag 1 una. So, 1 plus 1, this becomes 2. Okay? And then, ayun mo lang yung pattern na timanan is, whatever the result here, no, after the summation, no, kung unsay summation niya, ang 1 plus 1 is 2, mora sa limuhang divisor. Okay, basically, kung unsay ma-come up nimo sa exponent, mora sa na imuhang i-divide. And then, minus, syempre na minus. Kung sa may integral sa 2, the integral of 2 is 2x. Actually guys, no, supposedly na yung mga plus c, tanan, plus c, kung na yung kuha na, kung mapasab to, no? Let's try. So, kani siya, di ba, nag-integrate naman ka, no? Nag-integrate na ka, ani. So, ang imong integral, ani, kanini siya, lagi na siya plus c. Then, minus, ano siya, 2dx, ang integral of 2dx is 2x, niya, nasa na siya niya plus c. Di ba? O, mamani siya. Dahil kani, mag-integrate ani, no? Mag-integrate ani. So, you will come up with 3. Dahil ang imuhang integral na, mag-add kag 1, okay, sa exponent. So, ang 2, mag-add kag 1, this becomes x cubed. Unya, anak ko, di ba, whatever is the result in the exponent, okay, whatever is the result in the exponent, you divide it. You make it as a divisor as well. So, ang 2 nga exponent, mag-plus kag 1, this becomes 3. Kung sa'yo na diha, mao sa limuhang divisor. So, mga itong gibuhat diri ganina. Kay 1 man na siya, 1 ang exponent diha. So, ang 1, mag-plus kag 1, this becomes 2. And then, mao sa na imuhang divisor. And the same way, kaya nag-integrate mga diha, nasa na siya plus c diha. And then, you have plus x squared all over 2 plus c minus, nakuusbo na, 2x plus c. So, actually, mo ni murag mahog na itong very specific solutions. But actually, the C here, what talking about? Or we can say this is any constant. Any constant. So, any constant plus any constant minus any constant is still any constant. If you get it, no, ang idea ba is, we are putting plus C or mag-add tag C because anyway, any derivative of C is 0. Okay? Diba, ang iyahang idea is, this is the reverse of differentiation. So that's why we are putting C every time we apply an integration rule. Okay? So, gali, nag-add kag C because you know it doesn't matter. Kaya anyway, kung imo na siya integrate, 0 mangyabon na. Okay? So, karon any constant ni siya, any constant na. Ngayon, nasa kay another any constant here after applying the integration rule or anti-derivative rule. Anyway, do not add C basta pa ka naka-apply o ka na ang anti-differentiation rule. So from here, since naka-apply naman ta, nag-plus C na ko. Then, nag-apply naman ko diri. So, nag-plus C na sa ko. So, karon kanang plus C, o kanang dihang plus C diri, minus na siya. They will not really matter because they are all any constants. So, kung mag-add kag any constants or mag-minus kag any constant, the result is still any constant. Okay? So, that's basically the idea. So, in some cases na para dili kay mo mahasol, ang buhaton ninyo is basta mag-integrate mo ingon ani, pwede rin ginin yung walay plus C butang. Kaya lang butang yung plus C, pwede rin na. Para dili kayo hassle sa inyong solution. So, you will come up with these things na lang. Okay? So, walay plus C ang imuhang ipang buhat, di ba? O niya, ano lang imo na yung i-consider. Siyempre, simplify na ito, no? Again wala na tayong plus C para wala yung libog, no? Para di kita di kita ma-confuse sa atong solutions. So from here, siyempre, 3 times x cubed over 3, this cancels, no? 1 rami siya. Ang may tabo is you will come up with x cubed plus x squared all over 2. Then kana siya is minus 2x. And then, diri na ka sa pinaka-last plus C. And that's it. So, atong gibuhat no is we are trying to remove those plus C. Ang ato arang tanawon is, ato arang siguroon na nakay plus C sa imuhang final answer. Okay? And that would be enough. So, kanara, kay again, I think nakasabot naman siguro nga ang mga C dito ang ipambutang na to are any constants. So, when you combine any constants, any constant gihapon siya. So, mo ni si any constant gihapon. Okay? So, that's it guys, no, for this video. The 5, I think na-apply naman siguro ang tutanan, no? Iyan na natin mga application. So, 1, ang number 1 is 0 naman na. So, integral of 0, just remember, is always C. And then, yeah, na-apply natin na. So, that's it people, no? In the next video, we will be talking about the substitution, no? Integration by substitution. Thank you for watching my videos and see you in the next one. Goodbye.